How's it going, guys? Miguel here from CFS Recovery. I just wanted to make this quick video to announce the Thriver Virtual Summit coming up in 24 hours. So this Thriver Virtual Summit is going to be on October 28th, Saturday. It's going to be at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time for North Americans. Also 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's going to be at 6 p.m. Central European Time. It's going to be 5 people I have personally helped recover from CFS, long COVID, dysautonomia, fibromyalgia, all these things. And these are people who have their lives back, they're thriving now, and they were once very debilitated. If you haven't seen it already, we've been posting all over our social media that this event is coming up. We're already almost halfway to the maximum capacity. We're able to fit 1,000 people in the room at this virtual summit, and we have almost 500 people who have already signed up. Now, if you are interested in coming to this event, click the link below, register. It is 100% completely free. We have nothing to sell you. We just want to share as much value as we can. We do this maybe twice a year where we bring these recovered people together and just share the number one thing that helped them. So you're going to get lots of value out of this. And if you can't make it, say you're in a different time zone, still register anyways, because we're going to be sharing the replay with you, and only people who register for the event are going to get access.
First, we have myself. You all already know my story, and if you don't, then just a quick outline of my story. I was sick for nearly 5 years, and at my worst, I was hospitalized for 2 months, but I went from being hospitalized to traveling, exercising, and living with thriving health today in a relatively short period of time. I was hiking within 11 months of getting released from the hospital. I dealt with severe POTS, pain, fatigue, 30 to 40 symptoms. I had over 100 IV treatments and had all these supplements in order to function, and now I have full, thriving energy without any supplements or medication. I'm going to be talking about what is actually happening to the body, and I'm going to explain this in under 5 minutes. Next, we have Junior. Junior is going to talk about overcoming anxiety, panic attacks, overcoming food sensitivities, dizziness, heart palpitations, and balance issues. He went from going from walking just 1 minute to living without limitations now. So he can do all these things. He can walk around Disney World, 40,000 steps completely fine. And he's going to be talking about how physical symptoms are not all in your head, but they're also not coming from a broken body. Then we're going to have Coach Krista. She was 90% housebound, and now she's fully functional. She increased walking ability from 150 meters, that was her maximum, to now she can walk many, many miles and go on some awesome hikes. She also reduced all of her prescription medication, and she went from profound fatigue and post-exertional malaise. She went from profound fatigue and post-exertional malaise to living a full life without limits. And she's going to be talking about overcoming long COVID, because she has been to many long COVID clinics who couldn't really help her. She was just getting worse. Then we have Coach Adrienne. She went from couchbound to running 3 to 5 miles a day and weight training. She overcame severe POTS, overcoming insomnia. At her worst, she didn't sleep for about 11 days, and that put her in the hospital, and now she's out here living her life. Right? And she's going to talk about living in the present moment and how to deal with high anxiety and worry. Next, we have Colin. He went from couchbound to walking 7,000 to 10,000 steps daily. He would need antihistamines twice daily just to breathe. Now he's completely off all medications now. He's a long COVID case. Now he's got his life back. He's also going to be talking about overcoming post-exertional malaise, overcoming POTS, and also health anxiety. His topic is going to be gratitude, and how in this most difficult time in your lives, expressing gratitude is a powerful way to support recovery. And then lastly, we have Coach Preston. Now, he went from bedbound and couchbound to running, weightlifting, and traveling internationally. He overcame debilitating fatigue to the point where he had to stop working a year ago. Now he's working 2 jobs. He went from crippling anxiety to living life without any limitations. He's going to talk about how resting is a skill, but how do you do it correctly and guilt-free? So his topic is going to be how your thoughts can shape illness or wellness.
Like I said, we're going to be sharing a lot of golden nuggets. You're going to be taking away a lot of stuff, but even if you take away one single thing that you can apply to your recovery, that could be the thing that takes your recovery to the next level. So always remember, you are a thriver, and you are just one mind shift away from living a life with thriving health. I'll see you at the virtual summit.